Hey everybody, so first of all, apologies for the construction noise in the back. That's just the nature of Hong Kong. There's always construction going on. So as you can see right here, I have the OnePlus 6 and the Honor 10. I'm gonna do one unboxing video for both phones. So now this is unusual for me. I usually give each product its own video, and then after I shoot the unboxing video, I actually don't put that up right away. I will then go and take the phone and play around with it for like a day or two, and then I'll make a video with that, like the hands-on experience after. But this time I'm gonna do things a little bit differently because again, I'm really tight with time because I have to fly to the US tomorrow. I'm going to San Francisco to attend Apple's WWDC. So I'm gonna have videos from that too, by the way, so stay tuned. I'm hearing there might be new Apple hardware, so I might get to check that out. But anyway, so since I'm flying tomorrow and I have a lot of deadlines to do today and I have to clean the house, otherwise my girlfriend will get mad at me. So I just don't have time to shoot the videos and then go test the phones and then come back, shoot more clips and put it all together. So I'm just gonna do the unboxing and put them all up as one video. And to be honest, it doesn't matter because I'm getting these phones so late. Like this phone, everybody else, every other YouTuber has had it for like 3 weeks already. And then the Honor 10, I believe it's a lot of people have it too. So if you guys are sending me phones so late, then I think it's fair that I combine you guys. So we'll unbox the Honor 10 first because this is the more basic packaging, I assume. So Honor, most of you guys know this already, it's a sub-brand of Huawei. So this is, oh, and by the way, this phone I believe has been used because I got it from like the person who works inside Honor. So it's just not like a clean unboxing basically. You can see the device has been played with a little bit. So yeah, Honor, if you have read up on this, it's a sub-brand of Huawei, and this is basically a budget P20 Pro. And you know, if you guys watch my videos, you know I love the P20 Pro. And the amazing thing is, even though this phone is a budget version, it's cheaper, it has the same chipset, Kirin 970. So the same chipset as the Huawei P20 Pro. So I believe the only difference is that it doesn't have an OLED display and like, you know, just less RAM. I think otherwise performance should be similar. So I'm kind of stressed out about flying to the US because I'm gonna have to bring my normal daily driver phone, and I'm gonna have to bring an iPhone because I'm going to an Apple event, so I have to bring an iPhone. And I'm gonna have to bring the OnePlus 6 because I'm testing it there. I'm gonna have to bring the Honor 10, I'm testing it there. And then I might be getting a Vivo phone when I'm in the US, so I'm gonna, like, I worry I'm gonna get in trouble at the airport. They're gonna be like, hey, what are you doing flying with like 7 phones on you? And plus, I just don't like carrying that many phones around in one bag or one suitcase. Anyway, so you see pretty bare bones packaging. You have a charger. I believe this is Huawei's, well, it's Honor. Honor is a super fast charge. They call it supercharge, I believe, and a USB-C cable. And then right here you have a, I'm so sorry about the construction noise. It's just, and you have a gel case that slaps on pretty easily. So one thing I noticed right away is that the fingerprint sensor, it's a little bit different from the Huawei P20 Pro. Let me grab the P20 Pro really quick. Okay, so you see on the P20 Pro, I have a screen protector on this, pardon this. The fingerprint reader, it's a little bit more noticeable. Like you see there's actually like a metal ring around the sensor. Whereas on the Honor 10, it's almost completely flush. Like you don't feel anything when you're running your finger across the fingerprint reader. Whereas on the P20 Pro, when you run it, you definitely feel the little bit of a ring right here. So you look at the two phones, the P20 Pro is a little bit bigger. So this has that twilight finish that's on the P20 Pro. Although I think it looks a little better on the P20 Pro. They might have, because it's different materials or something. Yeah, same volume rockers and power button on one side. Camera bump is very similar. Oh, there's a headphone jack on the Honor 10. There's no headphone jack on the P20 Pro. Okay, so there's somebody already installed everything on this phone. So you see, it's a very nice display. I don't think this is OLED. I believe this is LCD. I'm gonna do a little bit of read up on it later before I make the video. So if I got it wrong, please don't scold me, okay? A lot of my viewers, sometimes I think they watch my unboxing videos, and you know, when I'm unboxing these phones, I'm looking at them for the first time. And sometimes I'll say something wrong and they'll just leave an angry comment like, do your research. And it's like, well, this is a hands-on video. Like, I mean, this is an unboxing. I'm like, well, this is an unboxing video. When you're unboxing things, you're looking at it for the first time. I mean, I guess I can like research and read up the phone before I do the unboxing, but what's the fun in that? Trust me, when I do the final review, not necessarily for YouTube, but when I write my review article, I definitely do all my research. So now let's move on to the OnePlus 6. So you have a reviewer's guide, the speed you need. So this is a standard OnePlus packaging. They always send reviewers a phone with a bunch of cases. Oh, wow, that's a lot of cases. So we'll check out the cases first because everybody already knows what the phone looks like. So this is the kind of texture sandpaper back case. Yeah, right here, this is a red rubber case. This is a wooden one. I quite like this one, but I think it actually doesn't go with the phone when you slap it on. Like, I like this one by itself, but when you put it on the phone, it doesn't look that nice. And then you have, this is a Kevlar material. And then one more. Oh, this is the new case that I quite like. I think I'm gonna try this one, actually. So yeah, those of you watching in Southeast Asia, like I know I have a lot of Indian viewers, so you guys know what I'm about to complain about. Is that it's hot as hell in Hong Kong. So I'm shooting right now and I'm just completely sweating. And I can't turn on the air conditioner because it would just be too noisy for the video. So I'm completely sweating right now, just standing in here. And I'm pretty sure if you're watching in India, same thing. It's just super hot in Southeast Asia right now. So this is pretty nice, a little bit bulky for my taste. I like my case a little bit thinner. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing of the phone. Okay, I have to get a knife. So I'm excited about the OnePlus 6 just to see how fast it is, because it is usually like the fastest phone. I mean, not that I'm not excited about the Honor 10. I think the Honor 10 is probably going to have a really good camera from what I've read, because it's very similar to the P20 Pro. Like, I'm reading that the Honor 10 is actually a really good deal, considering it's like 85% as good as the Huawei P20 Pro, but it's a lot cheaper. So this is OnePlus's packaging that I always a little bit scared of, because look at the phone, it kind of elevates. So I'm always worried that as I'm pulling the box out, the phone's just going to fly out. Because usually when you open out a packaging, the phone is more inside the box. So I'll put the phone to the side first and do the rest of the unboxing. So you have pretty simple packaging. OnePlus has kept the same packaging for like 5 generations now. So you have the dash charge and this cable. You need this cable to get dash charge, and this is the fastest fast charging tech available. It'll top up your phone. Like, basically you plug in for like 20 minutes, you get like 50%, 60% of juice. Oh, there's one more case in here. So right here you have instruction booklet, SIM ejector tool, and another gel case. So OnePlus gave me like 6 cases. So let's get to the peeling part. Yeah, this is my favorite part. I'm disappointed that the Honor phone didn't give me anything to peel. So I'm gonna power on the device. So you know, it's hard to act excited, not when I've seen videos of this phone 100. So, you know, it's hard to be excited just with the in-hand feel when I've seen videos of this phone 100 times already. And on top of that, it's very similar to the Vivo phone. This is the Vivo X21. Let's check out the notch. Yeah, even the notch it's very similar. And I also have the Oppo R15. So they are, yeah, virtually the same size. Virtually the same notch. Anyway, so I'm gonna set up the phone. I'm gonna play around with it a bit. But unfortunately, you might have to wait 4 or 5 days before I put the video up on my hands-on experience because I don't think I have time to make this video today. I'm just gonna put this video up as is right now, and I gotta finish all my chores and then fly to the US. I'll see you guys in the US from Apple's WWDC. Thanks for watching.